So guys, I thought we should do this exercise together. Sorry, I'm talking like that. Let's finish this something. Exercise. Okay, let's create a folder. Will be a way to get hands-on practice. So this is exercise dot HTML, and we'll do exercise with CSS. I ate something, so got some stuff inside of my mouth that's not making me to speak well. So let's go to I'm just gonna close here. Okay. Let's do a boilerplate, and let's call this exercise. I can just remember, like in my HTML videos, I did not know how to spell exercise, but now I know how to spell exercise. So this will be boxes. All right. So let's link this, and we'll do exercise with CSS, and let's do a basic draft of how we want this to look. Okay. So okay. Am I recording already? Yep, I am. Okay, so let's start with our HTML. To be pretty simple stuff. So let's give a div, then ID of page, and do tab after that. Then we give another div and ID of logo. And my logo, I'm going to give an image with my own logo. So let's come out of that and let's do UB codes, and we could give let's open it to our live server. So yes, I'm going to reduce the width here, maybe of 200. Okay, so coming out of that, let's use UL hashtag navigation. So that's good. That means ID navigation. LI with link. Our link is going to have a class. Let's just give this let's just do this. I'm going to have a class of on. Okay, so we're going to give this on. Okay, and let's LIA and to repeat this few more times. We'll repeat it like 3 more times down. We're going to click on Shift Alt and press your down key, so that way you can repeat it without having to copy and paste and do all that. So here we write for sale, and here we're going to write repairs. Okay, here we're going to write about, and copy that one more time. We're going to put contact here. Okay, so coming out of that, we're going to have a p tag. We can give an image to be. Let's go out of that. Let's pick this image that we have here. Okay, and let's give a class a width. We might end up styling the image width, but for now, just for us to be able to read it. Coming out of that, let's do another p tag, and we'll say specialize in sales, repair, and teaching and training. Okay, feel free to DM us. Okay, so that's just a simple stuff, and let's add maybe a lot of text to make it look full. Yeah, right. So let's get started. So let's give our body. Okay, our body a font size of 80%, and let's give our font family Korean even space, and let's give letter spacing. Let's create some space of 0.15 em, and we give a background color of EF. Okay, so if you want to write, you can just put BGC and click on tab. Now we add an ID of page. Okay, so we're just going to give you a max width of 940 pixels, a mean width of 720 pixels, a margin of 10 pixels auto, 10 pixels auto, and a padding of 20 pixels, a border of 4 pixels double. Okay, that's a border. Okay, so you can see we have this border here. Okay, then let's give a background color. I'll do BGC. Click on BGC and give it a color of FFFFF. That should be white. Okay, so we have that set. Then coming, let's give our logo a width of 150 pixels, margin of 10 pixels auto, and 25 pixels auto. Okay, so just going to auto is simply going to just fit to whatever required proportionality the computer will do the math. So this is the we've done that. Then our UL, so our list, let's give it a width of 570 pixels, a padding of 15 pixels, a margin of 0 pixels or 0 pixels or 2. Okay, and we're going to have a border top, BT border top. We're going to give you 2 pixels. Just write 2 pixels, click on tab, solid, click on tab, and 0. So let's leave it. We're going to have a border button. Those BB, click on tab, and border button will be 1 pixels, tab, solid, tab, and black to tab. Next one we'll have the text align center. Okay, so that puts it in the center for us. Then let's go to our LI. Okay, we're going to do our LI as display inline, so to try and have that thing, everything to be in one line. All right, so I've done that, and I'm going to give it a margin of about 0 pixels and 3 pixels. So so that's what's trying to space each of the elements. Then for P tag, we'll have a text align of center, a width of 600 pixels, a margin of 20 pixels auto, and 20 pixels auto. So that's just going to adjust the math, the laptop do the mathematics and just make everything look proportional. Then we'll give a font width of normal. Okay, so you can see that taking effect here. Another thing we'll do would be to style we want to remove this ugly styling here. So we're going to give our links a color of black, that's 6 zeros. Okay, then we'll do our text transform uppercase. Then we'll do a text decoration of none. We'll do a padding of, let's do 6 pixels top. You can see let me just raise this a little bit. Okay, we'll give it 6 pixels top, 18 pixels by the right, 5 pixels bottom, and another 18 pixels by the left. Okay, then let's try and add some over effects. So we'll do this with our, like I said, the pseudo element. Then we gave this home a class of on, if you remember, a class of on. Yeah, so we're going to start that. So what do we want to happen? Let's see. Let's give it a color of hashtag CC 1 2 3 4 6. So it's just going to have that. Then we'll give you a background color of FFFF white. Or if you want, I don't know, purple. That doesn't make so much sense. Let's do this FFF. Okay, so when you hover over it, this is what's gonna happen. So this is basically how to go about it. So we'll just made a very simple web page right here. So this is just a simple landing page you can use to design and explain. So because we're on home, that's going to happen. So we've come to the end of this video. See you guys in the next video where I'll teach I think I said forms. Yeah.